Cancer. A word that changes lives. A word no one wants to hear from their doctor. Dennis Pyatt never expected his life would be changed by the news. He had kidney cancer.
He told me I would be cut wide, completely open. The kidney would have to be removed, and so I was going to lose a kidney. I was going to lose my left kidney.
But Dennis was lucky enough to benefit from recent advances in minimally invasive surgery. Kidney cancer patients today may not have to lose a kidney to cancer. This is important because saving your kidney can help prevent future kidney disease and even dialysis. Dennis was referred to another doctor who told him about minimally invasive Da Vinci surgery.
He says, "I think I can save your kidney." And right off the bat, I'm a little skeptical. Then he says, "We have this robot, the Da Vinci." And then he had a small video that he showed me. And I thought, this is the way to go.
Dennis chose Da Vinci surgery. This video will explain what the Da Vinci surgical system is and its potential key benefits to patients. Kidney cancer is not easily treated with radiation and chemotherapy. That's why the gold standard treatment for localized kidney cancer is surgery. Da Vinci was introduced in 1999 to overcome the limits of traditional surgery. It is a minimally invasive option that enables surgeons to perform complex cancer surgery through a few tiny incisions. The precision, vision, and control of Da Vinci may also provide your surgeon with the ability to save all or part of your kidney by removing the tumor rather than the entire kidney. Da Vinci's vision system gives your surgeon a remarkably clear 3D high-definition view inside the body. The Da Vinci surgical system is completely 100% physician-controlled. Da Vinci reduces your surgeon's hand movements down to micro movements, increasing precision and control during surgery. Da Vinci instruments have tiny wrists that can bend and rotate. This allows for greater precision. Surgeons say it's as if their hands are miniaturized and working in your body. So, what do these advances mean for patients? The potential for significantly less pain, less scarring, shorter hospital stay and recovery time, less blood loss and fewer transfusions, less risk of infection, better clinical outcomes in many cases, and increased potential to preserve the kidney in certain cancer operations. This operation consists of the following steps. First, the kidneys and neighboring anatomy are accessed by your surgeon. The kidneys, ureters, their blood vessels, and the tumor are located and identified. Next, the vessels supplying blood to and from the kidney are clamped off to allow for the tumor to be removed. The surgeon then carefully cuts out the tumor following the scored line which was created earlier. Once the tumor is free, it is removed. The incision on the kidney where the tumor used to be is closed. The clamps are then removed to return the blood supply to the kidney. Again, this is all done through a few tiny incisions instead of a long incision.
The reason I'm here because if this could help anybody else, that's all I care about because truthfully it helped me. 1,000,000%. I would recommend it because my tumor was so large, and to save a kidney, you got to think about it in life when you're getting my age and and having problems that you could lose a kidney or say you get in a car accident or another accident, you lose a kidney, then you're on dialysis and your life's shortened.
Discuss the specifics of your operation with your doctor. The extent of the surgery will depend on your individual condition. Keep in mind, each condition is unique to each patient, and no one can predict your outcome after surgery with 100% certainty. Ask your doctor about all treatment options for your condition. Ask about what you can expect before, during, and after surgery.